hear the boss missing.
I got you, homie.
Shit.
Wow.
Alright, 2 out of 8. Not too bad.
Yeah.
3 out of 8. You know. Oh man, you saw that, bro? Bro, she chasing, bro. Oh hell no. I saw you, bro. Where they at though?
Come here, boy.
Oh shit! No. Bro, my batteries are running out of quickly. That shit crazy. Nothing. Well, this thing won't open, bro. Open! I think we're done here. Oh, nope. Alright. I need 2 more. Where is she coming from? Oh shit, I saw her ass, bro. Oh shit, bro. I knew it.
Okay, got enough tape. Now we have to get back to the generator.
I'm saving her right here, bro. We Gucci.
Now let's fix this thing.
Let's
Nice,
get it.
it's running. Now we'll have to look for a key to finally get out of this place.
Oh, I'm ready. What the hell? Oh, I thought the stairs were missing. I was about to be like, I'm bugged. Oh, dude, what the fuck? You just crept on me like that too, bro? Don't do me like that, bro, please, no. Oh, man. Don't do me like that, bro. Shit.
And his name is John C.
Dude, what the hell? Dude, she's on me. Damn, bro.
Hello there.
I'm dead, bro. Oh, shit. I think we did it, boys. We did it. Let's get it. Yo. Let's get it, bro. We did it. It's all good from here. We smooth sailing from here. Those corners are badly, bro. Shit. Bro, was that it? That was it, bro? Dude, we just did it, bro. Party. Let's get it, bro. Let's go, baby.